Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to add a border around a video in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've added a video to the second track on my timeline that I'd like to add a border around. I will need to add the content for our border below the video track, so I need an empty track below the video. To begin, head over to your project panel, and then click on the New Items button. Select Color Matte, click OK, choose a color you would like your border to be, and click OK again. Give your border a name if you wish, and click OK a third time. Your color matte will now appear in your project panel as shown. Drag this over to the track below your video and stretch it out to the video's length. Now select your video clip on the second track and go up to Effect Controls. Under Scale, decrease the size of your video until you reveal the color map underneath. Now this looks okay, but as you can see, the border's sides don't match the top. To fix this, go back over to Effect Controls and uncheck Uniform Scale. Now back on your preview panel, drag the sides of your video until they match the top and bottom borders. We are actually stretching the video here, but it's such a small amount that the change will have little impact on the video itself. Play back your clip, and now you'll notice you have a nice looking border around your video. Note, if you need to change the color of your border again, simply double click on the border layer on your timeline and you'll be able to change the color. Keep in mind, you can also import images or videos to use as your border as shown. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.